Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your joystick anchor in Rocket League Sideswipe. So, to do this, you need to go to your settings, game settings, and joystick anchor. Here you can change it to short, medium and long, but we're gonna go into game to actually show you the difference. So let's go to free play, start match, and here go to settings, show options, and joystick anchor. Now it's short, so you can't move it that much, so it just stays here. Like I can't do many things around this side, so it won't move. Then we go to options again, change it to medium, and it moves a bit further than before. Now we go to options again, long, and now it moves a long way from its main position. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.